Nylander up first. William Nylander moving it on Georgiev. He dekes and is stopped.
An aggressive push out by Georgiev, and then just backs up perfectly with Nylander. Not able to elevate that puck. Not a lot of room there.
Evan Rodriguez, Toronto native, hearing the boos from the crowd. Rodriguez stopped by Samsonov.
Samsonov so calm in the goal. Rodriguez has had chances throughout the evening. And this one he just pounds into the pad. Looking the other way.
There was some room there, Jonesy, between the legs there.
Here comes Austin Matthews with speed. Down the right side. Matthews dekes, misses the net.
Way wide. Tries to shovel it on the short side. Nothing there.
Second shooter for the Avs, Nathan McKinnon. No goals so far in the shootout. McKinnon to the net, scores!
All about the speed that he approaches Samsonov. Goes to the backhand and then just pops it up and over the pad and onto the glove with the forehand.
Almost seems like it was a change of pace type of shot that beat the goaltender.
Now Marner tries to extend the game for the Leafs. He does not. Georgiev got a stick on it. The Avalanche defeat the Maple Leafs.